enjoy the story of Job as well. So let's get started with the activity for the beginners and the primary first. So all you need for this activity is a plain white sheet and some stationery. The activity is very simple. You just have to take a plain sheet and draw a star on it. So to draw a star, I'll just show you on a small piece of paper. You need to do the same on the big sheet. So draw a triangle first, and on top of that draw an inverted triangle. So this would be a star. You need to do this on the big sheet. Okay, so once you're done with this, take few color pencils, whatever you like, and fill all the blocks, all the spaces with the same color or different colors. It's up to you. Okay, and the border lines, take a sketch pen or a marker and try to outline it with that. Okay, so once you do that, write the memory verse. I'm sure you must have learned the memory verse and I'm sure you remember it as well. So write the memory verse and it would look like this. Okay, yes, very simple. Just to add some more thing for this, I just did this one, and this is very simple, but yes, you need to use scissors for this. So I think your parents can help you out. I'll just show how to do that. Take a small piece of paper. So you can get this paper after you cut all this remaining part. Okay, so and fold it. So it looks like this. I'm sure parents can help in this. So this one, leave little bit of this much piece maybe on the top, and then you can cut this. So so it looks like this. Okay, so you can paste it here from behind like I did. So yeah, here your star is ready with the memory verse. You can hang it around and you can memorize the verse as well. Okay, so that was all for beginners and primary. Now moving on to juniors, inters and seniors. Even your activity is very simple. So it looks like this. Since you've learned the story of Job, I'm sure you can do a drawing better than this. I just gave a try. So yeah, for this, take again a plain white sheet and just normally take the measurement of the sheet, and this one I simply drew because I didn't draw the person again here. So something and all you can draw here. So to the left and the right, see that you have equal space. Okay, and draw these border lines and make sure that your image is within this one. Okay, so you can draw a person, you can draw anything more you want, clouds, you can write a verse below or anything as such. Okay, so once you're done with this, okay, so here, just for us to get a picture of what I did, this one, when you close, you need to get this. Okay, to this one end write J. Job spells J-O-B, right? So write a J here, leave some space. To this end write B and leave some space. After that, draw a semicircle to this end and this end. Okay, so both semicircles put together, you'll get an O. So once you're done with this and once you're done drawing the image here, you need to cut this one. Cut this 4 parts here and here. Just we don't need this extra space here, so you can cut it till here. Okay, once you cut all of this, it looks like this. So you see J and a semicircle here, a semicircle and a B here, and the image right in between. So once you get this, fold the image or the paper into 2 equal halves and you will get this. Okay, easy, quite easy. So yeah, I'm sure you can do it. So I hope you liked the 2 activities, and please do try it at home. Thank you so much.